it fly around because I don't think I flew it too much last year. That carb you can see is low RPM and wanting to die. It's like full aileron roll as fast as it goes, and it's really slow.
Yeah.
It's different than last year. Like, look.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
There's nothing. It sounds the same the whole way.
It
sounds the same the whole way. So she is so rich right now or something.
Yeah.
It can't be lean because it would have shut off. Asking her to go full throttle.
Yeah.
She's definitely rich. And that would be why we probably couldn't get it started.
Behaves well though.
Hey?
It behaves well.
Oh yeah, no, it flies good. It was just one of those things. I'm not impressed with this engine yet. I never have been, but it was cheap. It was like a $200 engine, so.
Yeah.
And it was new in the box when I got it. Woo, little dip there. Weird little dip there when I come up over the berm. Did I even set my, I did set the timer. Yeah, it stayed running. I got the RPM up so high on it, right?
Yeah.
I got it cranked right up, so just because it was loading up, and I think that's what happened at the table.
Which is fine because you got all this headwind.
Yep. So we'll drop her in here now. Hopefully it doesn't stall. Here wants to go.
Yeah.
Stop flying, you buggers. Look at it.
Yeah.
There she goes. I gotta go get it. Because I had to drop the RPM so low. I can go for a walk. Yeah.